Hope you're all ready for random background noises from the people working below me. Anyways, greetings. Hi, Victor and Zen.
Hey guys, Ant Venom here. Today I am guest starring on Fig's walking team to inflate his viewership because his channel is dying. Bad fellowship? More like bad viewership.
Thanks, Zen. I was not expecting that from you.
Has that been made yet?
No. That's fucking hilarious. Oh my god, when did you make that?
While I was waiting for the stream to start. Originally, the joke was, Ant was waiting for your. It was like the same thing, but then in my head I was like, wait. To inflate his viewership, bad fellowship.
More like bad viewership. It's Titty Tuesday, my favorite day of the week.
I love this day. Cinema Balls had a good run, but today's the day of change.
Is it Titty Tuesday?
Yeah, I thought that was why you typed it.
No, but should I change my status to Titty Tuesday?
I'm trying to remember every Tuesday, but I failed like every Tuesday except for this one so far.
It's Titty Tuesday. Start spreading the word. You know what tomorrow
Spread
is?
the word, spread the word. What?
You know what tomorrow is?
Oh, Titty Wednesday.
No. Tomorrow's White Woman Wednesday. Making it up. It's a new day.
You gotta drink Starbucks.
And what's the other thing? Chick-fil-A. Yeah.
Chick-fil-A.
That's what all the girls in my fucking high school did. Don't forget your iPhones.
Oh yeah, iPhone. And then whenever you see someone with like an Android, you gotta be like,
Ew.
ew.
Yeah, there you go.
Your camera sucks. It's your operating system.
Your camera sucks because of the operating system? Yeah. I always love that. You got an Android charger?
That's another
I'm
woman
like,
thing.
no, I don't charge my operating system. I got a USB Type-C, though. That's what you're looking for. I was in a Zen zone.
Whenever someone's like, ew, why do you like Android? I'm like, at least I don't have an Android charger. Mr. iPhone charger.
Mr. Dr. Professor iPhone charger.
Don't they like, didn't iPhone get like forced to like use USB-C in like certain countries, but like they have like a very specific type that they made so it doesn't work on other devices or something? That's what I heard.
Yeah, some stupid shit like that.
What do you like? No. No, it does happen all the time, Flamey.
Wait, what did Flamey do?
No, it only sometimes underlines the bad spelling. No.
This dumbass. I think this is too loud. That's better. Oh wow, I'm gonna be at 600,000 today. You know what that means? The number goes up by another one. Hello, Poltergeist. Ah, damn it, I'm in a Zen zone. What state am I from? I am from no state. I'm from the Commonwealth of Virginia. I think Zen left me again. Nah, he's just muted. I don't make the rules, I just enforce them. Do states or countries go down till their score? I don't know what that means. What, does it extend below the Earth all the way to the core? Now that wouldn't work though, because you have flat lines on a sphere. I don't know how far into the lithosphere it goes. Probably the Trophosphere, if I had to guess. I don't know, it's really weird trying to apply like that to actual geographic features.
Unbelievable.
What?
Some punk doesn't understand how the rules work on this server.
Who would that be?
Oh, his name is like GIF.
Oh.
I should turn you down. I have you up to 139%.
Why the fuck would you ever turn me up?
Because I love you.
Squidward. Have you already heard about this cool new game? No.
Oh, I thought you were asking me for a second.
No, I was being asked the question.
I have never heard of the game Poltergeist 1739. What the heck is Minecraft?
Yeah, what the fuck is a Minecraft? By the way,
Oh,
I,
you mean
I just want you to know that Zin spent the rest of yesterday afternoon working on making stop signs generate.
Yeah, he showed me the first draft, I guess.
Well, there's no fences in that version of Alpha, but he did recreate red wool because this is before color wool was re-added back into the game.
Imagine going back in time to be the first person to invent wool.
So actually, there's something about that I discovered. Inside of the block class, the constructors for the different colors of wool are still there. They're just all null.
Vic, did you have any programming experience before you started dabbling in this with Minecraft?
No, I had 0.
That's pretty cool.
What?
Are you confused by what I said?
Yeah, I'm confused about why is that cool?
Because it's... I mean, it's not the most intuitive thing in the world to start dabbling in.
Really? I felt like it
Really?
was pretty straightforward. There's like some bits and pieces I'm like, okay, I can't tell exactly what this is doing. And so I took the time to like kind of learn exactly what Java does and how it does things.
Have you touched any interfaces yet?
No, I have not yet messed with interfaces. I know what they do.
What do they do?
Well, the interface. No, what's that? Because I think I don't remember encountering interfaces whenever I was learning, but like I found a file called an interface. I'm like, okay, what is an interface? And I was looking up what it does because all I found was the empty method body. It was just like, okay, why are there empty method bodies in here?
Yeah, I mean, I could give you sort of a simplified definition of like how an interface works.
The way I understand it, it's a way of doing multiple inheritance without doing multiple inheritance.
Yeah. So if a class says it implements a certain interface,
You can implement multiple interfaces, but you can't extend from multiple classes.
yeah. But just talk about interfaces on their own for a second. If a class implements an interface, that means that that class supports all of the methods that are defined in that interface.
It has to. If it isn't, then it has to be abstract.
Yes, or the interface has to provide like a default definition within the interface.
Okay. In Minecraft. If you mean in just German, then that would be mine creation. That's interesting.
Okay, Poltergeist. I said it was a simplified version. Also, it's been a while since I've actually touched interfaces.
Yeah, I've ran into a couple of interfaces in Minecraft's code. Specifically, the camera is an interface.
Okay, I've gotten nowhere near touching the camera.
Well, I was trying to. Yeah, I'm trying
Some things
to.
you just don't mess with.
I'm trying to mess with that so I can get the sky to render around the camera and not the player. But the camera doesn't have all of the, the variables that the player does, obviously.
Wait, is Poltergeist saying that I'm wrong, or saying that what they said earlier about mine creation is wrong?
I don't know. The thing I'm currently working on right now is backporting the tab list.
So basically, with an interface, you can do anything as long as you don't have compile errors.
One thing I've discovered is you can't. One thing that I didn't know until I tried to do is that you can't instantiate abstract classes or interfaces as objects.
Oh, goody, goody, goody! Poltergeist wasn't saying I was incorrect about what I was saying.
There is no verb to mine in German? Really? But there's mines in Germany. How is there not a verb for that?
Maybe they just use dig.
Mayhaps. Yeah, so currently I'm working on trying to get the tab list backported. I got part of it working, like the actual graphic. You know what I'm talking about? Where it's like the gray boxes or whatever. But
Yeah.
It didn't display any player names in there. And honestly, reading the method, not the method, it's actually part of the in-game overlay. But reading that portion of it is really fucking difficult because it's just extremely fucking
Yeah, let me see if I can find an example of an interface in the Minecraft code.
what's the word I'm looking for? It's not obfuscated. That's not the word. It's just
Let's
it's
see.
really abstract. It's hard to read what it's doing.
All right, the sided inventory interface. Extends the inventory interface. Extends the clearable interface. Oh, well, that's pretty intuitive.
Oh, so you could have interfaces extend interfaces?
Yep.
So an interface so you can have a sub interface of an interface.
Yes. And interfaces they're like little skeleton classes.
Yeah, they don't really have much in them. They just have literally the method bodies and I think the arguments, and that's it, right?
Yeah. Interfaces can also have fields declared, but the only fields they support are static fields.
That makes sense, since there's no object.
Yeah, but it could have also made sense for them to set up in a way where any instance of a class that implements an interface could have its own, field with that name. But you can imagine a world where it worked that way.
One thing that's not immediately obvious immediately is what static means as a keyword.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I'm just that's not very intuitive.
No, it's not. Fig, I found a very important line of code.
What is it called?
Int max underscore count underscore per underscore stack. equals 64.
Oh, yeah, you can just change that.
Yeah. This is public interface inventory. Which has a bunch of methods in it.
Yeah, I haven't had to mess around too much with interfaces and like abstract classes yet.
Yeah, interfaces are the bee's knees.
Even after I took the time to like sit down and like learn like Java for like a couple of weeks, like it still took more time for it to sink in. Which is why I just kept doing shit, because that was the only way I was gonna like remember it.
Sponge-powered mix-in. I think you can just use mix-in for let's see. Oh yeah, the issue wasn't the Minecraft version, the issue was the Java version we were unsure about.
Oh, yeah. If it's available for 8, then it's available for 8. But I'd have to get it, like... I'd have to import the library into the compiler. Or the compiler I'm using. And I don't know if it's set up to do that, because I don't know too much about decompilers.
Gradle dot properties. No, I need build.gradle. That's for the Java version we defined. I think you can use it with Java 8. You would have a lot of fun playing with mix-ins.
If I did start using that, wouldn't the library need to be distributed to anybody using it, though?
No, you would only need it when you compile whatever you're making.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. You sure?
Yes.
Because, like, you can't play Minecraft without having the lightweight Java game library.
I can't effectively articulate why this is the case, but this is the case.
All right.
Like, I know I've installed tons of mods that use Mixin, and I have never once had to install Mixin for my Minecraft.
Were the Mixins developed specifically for Minecraft, or was it just in general?
That's a good you mean in general?
Yes, I do.
That's a good question.
What is more confusing, C++ or German? German.
Yeah, there's no contest. Did you know there are real people who speak German?
Really?
I mean, German.
I feel like a lot of the time, like, actually, like, reading a line of code is pretty straightforward.
Mm-hmm.
Especially given that most of it is just math. Actually, it's literally just all math.
That's a massive lie.
It's only when you run into, like, weird keywords or, like, you know, any kind of operation with, like, some symbol, you're like, okay, I've never seen this before. What does it mean? And
My favorite keyword is default. Speaking of default, hello, Jab.
Yeah.
Sport?
No.
Happy Titty Tuesday?
Happy Titty Tuesday.
It's good to see you, friend.
Hello.
I don't know how you can see her. She's all the way down there.
Hey, you
Ah.
didn't
I mean, she's like just on the other side of Pennsylvania. I just had to look out the window.
I'm waving. Can you see me?
Yeah, nice
Okay,
shirt.
cool. It's all black, thanks.
Based.
And black pilled.
I really hope Arkard's dad is okay.
Yeah.
By the way, did he call you? Because he called me today.
Wait,
He
his
didn't
dad called you?
No, Arkard.
He didn't call me, but he messaged me, and
Was-
he was like,
was
he
it
was
a-
like, "Hey, yo, Gabby," and I was like, "Hello." He said, "You're short,"
Oh, okay.
and
He called me last night on Discord, and this motherfucker goes, "People don't think it be like it is, but it do," and then he just hung up. But no, he called me today while I was at work, so I didn't answer, obviously. But I returned his call when I got back out to my car, and he just says, "Hey, Fig, guess what I saw?"
oh god.
And I was like, "Was it a CB7?" And it was a CB7.
Fig, I sent you a funny.
Is it a May? What the hell is this?
It's a $1 trillion coin with
Oh,
Joe
God.
Biden's face on it.
It looks really creepy from far away when you can't tell that it's his face.
It just
Nope.
looks creepy.
He's creepy in general.
You mean
Or
You mean in general?
I'm back. There's a whole party here in the
Oh,
call now.
well, it is
That's not
Titty
me.
Tuesday.
What is Wii Game? Oh, it is. What is Wii Game?
Tomorrow's the best day ever, though.
Oh, yeah, I told Zin what tomorrow was.
That's the best day ever. I will be celebrating
I-
accordingly.
I legit.
I already forgot what tomorrow is. What is it?
It's White Woman
Wiener
Wednesday.
Wednesday?
Oh yeah.
No,
Excuse
like I think I had sent you the fucking Titty Tuesday thing, Gabby, and then like I was about to get in the shower and I was like, wait a minute, I have an idea.
Mr. Krabs,
I have an idea.
See, I thought you said it because my status, but it was just like you just happened to do it like a little bit after I said it.
No, it's because we're sharing the same brain cell at all times. I think Ekwall used an AI to
more
walk
memes.
for him. I don't think not auto walkers. I don't think there's a baritone for Beta 173 yet.
Oh, those are all my memes right now.
Wait,
Zane. I know
is this a
you're-
real before and after?
Yeah.
Oh, before and after of what?
Ariana Grande. that
Oh,
meme.
Since when?
have you never seen that before?
No, I didn't see that.
Wow. That makes it even funnier.
Oh,
Maybe they'll get
Mystic,
shut
I forgot to tell you that Zin started using what he learned doing the stop signs yesterday to make the Herobrine mod.
Oh.
Who's Mystic? Is that you?
I'm trying to make
I
a
have many
Herobrine
names.
entity.
Yes, it's me.
Did you just strip like all the leaves off the trees or just some of them?
I copied the tree class and made it into like a rare, like not rare, but like a bit more rare than a regular tree. And then I just took the leaves out of the actual tree class and made it into like its own thing, separate from trees.
I'm gonna go update my Discord.
It was just
I could probably like modify the tree class to make a chance of spawning trees in that one class, but it works either way.
Hang on. I mean, you could do that, something like that. I don't know.
I want to make a Herobrine entity that like can spawn far away from you and then disappear, but I don't know how to make a copy of the player model for like another entity because like the player's model is like I don't even know where. I know there's like the model bipe and stuff, but I don't really know how to copy the player model because it's like structured together in different areas from what I saw.
Wait.
There's no like defined player model class really.
I mean, you could just make a copy of Model Biped.
Yeah, but it has like so much more. There's like that class is like just a lot of stuff. I'm pretty sure that class actually controls like everything that uses those models, like zombies, skeletons, and stuff. I mean, I could probably just copy this Bipe. I say bipe because it's easier. I could just copy this dot bipe, the whole model, and then put it into its own class. Just that one part of it, I guess. I'm actually gonna test that.
I gotta say, it was very funny seeing your name of public class was a generate stop sign.
Oh yeah.
I'm like, this is really cursed.
When did I show you that? Just while I was making it.
I don't remember. I think when you were trying to make it less frequent. Or what were you trying to do? You're trying to make it stop spawning in the air. Because it kept doing that.
Yeah, well, yeah, but then I got to stop spawning in the air, but it was only spawning them on the ground when, like, so the ones that were in the air, when I stopped doing that, it would only make the ones that were on the ground show up, but there weren't enough of them spawning on the ground for it to be, like, frequent enough. But then I found out how to change the frequency at which they tried to spawn around in general.
Take care, Boltergeist.
So now they spawn much more frequently, and so now there's more of a chance for them to be on the ground, and then you'll see them on the ground. So whatever the condition is met that they're on the ground, they'll spawn rather than, like, if they're in the air, they won't spawn.
Oh boy. I love it when work is going on in the units below me.
Which that part was actually done by ChatGPT, the whole, like, air/grass detection.
Zen, I hope you like all my names I'm sending you.
I want to implement a...
The old YouTube.
I want to implement a Y-level detection for grass blocks so I don't have, like, underground patches of snow on the server whenever it's wintertime.
That's fun.
No, it looks dumb as hell.
That's Minecraft's always done this.
I mean, I could do that also with trees too, I think.
Are you saying you only don't like it when it's snow, or just like in general?
No, it looks stupid as fuck when during the wintertime when there was like underground snow rooms.
I thought that would look kind of cool.
Because all I did was just shift the texture. But if I can make it detect, like, I don't know, below sea level or something, then it reverts back to regular grass.
The Star Wars picture.
I have the worst names.
A proud masturbator of this video for 5 years.
Hey, Mystic.
Still masturbating after 6 years. Still
Mystic.
masturbating for this. He said he was reset his computer or something.
I did.
What is this? Just a Lego Princess Leia? That's what it is.
What?
That's all it is. Lego
Yeah.
Princess Leia dancing.
Oh my god, Gavi.
I
Which
sent
one
him
is
the
it?
I sent the dolphin one.
Oh.
Yo, Gabby, look, it's the 7-mile spanking machine.
Oh my face.
Is this where the line starts?
I'm gonna be first in line.
Like at the front of the line, or the guy going through the line?
Right, yeah, is it like the line of spankers, or like the one guy?
Are
You
you
guys
the
will find
spanker or the spanky?
Both. If you must know, it's both.
Does a spanky spank himself at the end too?
Yes.
Alright, model. What am I gonna change the model of to test this? I'll do pig.
I can't wait to go spend $7 on coffee and dump half of it out at midnight.
What'd you say?
I can't wait to spend
you're-
$7 on coffee and then dump it out at midnight.
Hell yeah.
Was it something I said? I'll say it.
Yuck. I'll do
Why
it.
can I not find where the mob's models are being made? I used to be able to find. I'm looking in entity pig, render pig, model I don't see it.
Hey, Mystic, you ever want to get annoyed with Notch? You should look at render list.
All right, let's see here.
It's probably not in 119.
Navigate.
Actually, no, it's not in 119.
Render list.
I tried doing MCP for the modern versions, but I remember there was some issue with it, and I don't remember what it was.
I found a method called render list.
No, it's a class, but it's not in 119. It got removed in
Well-
like sometime in release.
I agree with Flamey. No Among Us. No.
Come on, I want to
please.
play some Among Us.
Among Us is too stressful when I'm the imposter, and then I have to lie. I don't like lying.
Don't be a bitch.
Well, I'm fine lying to you guys. Actually, that's fine. Like,
I don't love you. I only love mayonnaise.
ooh, Gmod would be fun. Gmod's on her list of games you can play.
I want to play Gmod. I also
no,
want to
what
play
Gmod?
Valheim. But Fig won't play Valheim with me.
Play Valheim with him.
I don't want to play Valheim.
You're just scared you'll die,
No, I just don't.
and
Have...
you're right. Let me guess. I don't have time, he says as he walks to the far lands.
True though.
For the second time.
What journey number is this? Like 3 or 4?
3.
Journey number 3.
I found the creeper model. Why is there no? Why is the pig model not here? It's just super. The
Oh
creeper
yeah,
model
I've never
shows up.
understood that. What does super do, Mystic?
I don't know.
Okay, so Super basically runs the constructor for the super class with whatever arguments you give it.
Okay, so it does that in the parent class.
Yes. So if you have class Fig extends dumbass, then you could start out your Fig constructor with super, and some set of parameters, and then it would pass those parameters into the constructor that matches that method signature in the dumbass class.
I'm about to fucking do that.
Eric just said Gmod looks so outdated. He's just wrong.
Tell him he looks outdated.
So does fucking Minecraft.
I'm gonna say that you look outdated.
I don't know, like you don't need to have exceptional graphics to enjoy stuff.
I like Gmod. It's like one of those games where it's like there's too many games to try to look too good these days. I don't like it when a game's marketing is like realistic graphics. It's like yay, like just like every other game.
You know what has great graphics? Valheim. And Zin and I are gonna play it.
I don't even know what Valheim is. I just heard the name.
Oh, really?
I've heard of it. I think I've been told to play it before.
I'll link it to you. If we get enough people, we can force Fig's hand. Zen.
How much does it cost?
It's like $20. Here you go.
Is this like a long? Is this like a long-term game, or is it like a per session thing?
It's more of a long-term thing.
It kind of reminds me of RuneScape.
No.
I don't know. It's just like some of the screenshots remind me of it.
Accept my friend request.
Hang on, I gotta fucking challenge Eric on this. Old texture's good.
The old textures are way better.
I love old cobblestone because it's just way more like, it's way more contrasty. Honestly, I don't like Beta 1.7's cobblestone texture.
I like the old cobble.
The one like in Beta 1.6 and lower.
Welcome, Gak Wab.
I love Cobb, but if you replace the two B's with CK.
I don't know what I was expecting from you.
Gab.
I literally.
I also love chicken.
We're all gonna play Valheim together.
I love chicken.
This is
You
this
get
is
along
some
with
real
Flamey.
fatherless behavior right now.
I mean, well, you know, he did die in 2014.
That was a while ago.
Oh, yeah, so I have a, I know I'm not breaking hip books, I'm not saying names or anything, but I have this patient and he has dementia, like really bad. And he was asking me about my parents, naturally. And this guy, his dementia is really fucking bad, like really bad. And I was like, oh yeah, both my parents passed away. He said, oh. He said, was it your fault?
Was it your fault?
I swear to God.
Did it take
I was
all of
like-
your effort to not burst into laughter?
Yes! But then, like, he forgot what he asked me, like, 5 seconds later. It's like, what'd you say? Like, trying to see if he remembered what he said. He was like, what? I said, oh, nothing. I gaslit him.
New textures were 1.14, right?
Yeah.
What do I have? Beta 1.13?
Skronk? Yeah, what's up, Frozen? I know, like, I like the old
I just heard the
textures.
ice cream truck. Yeah, I don't like the new textures. I can't play with them.
They don't mix very well with, like, other textures.
At least like the really new ones I hate.
What's up, man?
Are you having
no.
a stroke?
Yeah. You're a trained medical professional, right? Can you help me out here?
You smell toast.
No, but I taste iron.
Alright, you're fine, you're fine.
It's ironic.
I'm tasting coins, Gabby. That's not good.
And you maybe you have a little bit of blood in
You
your
mean
mouth.
Jabby?
Look, now is not the time for semantics.
You'll be alright.
There's a stroke victim out here.
Well, it's already too late for PPA, so you're just fucked now.
Oh.
Channel some aspirin and thin out your blood.
That'd probably be useful seeing as I have high blood pressure.
I'm not gonna be able to watch an episode and not like just think about like the soundboard when I see the episode now.
You're welcome.
Why do you have high blood pressure? What's your blood pressure at?
Yes.
What was it the last time you got it checked?
It was like 152 over something.
Well, 152 isn't too bad. Was it over 90?
Yeah.
Okay, that is bad.
I'm also
What the fuck are
overweight.
you doing?
I'm also overweight.
Wait. blood pressure.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm so confused.
I hardly know her.
Not as bad as my one friend on the ship. He had a blood pressure one time of 210.
Yeah, that's still a little concerning.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
an A plus.
he was sent to the emergency room from work that day, and he was going out the brow. I'm like, how are you not dead? He's like, I don't know, man. I feel fine. It's like, okay.
Must just be on crack.
That is stroke level. Do you have a headache or anything?
No, I also stopped drinking energy drinks, so it should be much better now. And as I lose weight, it should go down too, to actual normal levels.
I literally have a coffee and a Red Bull in my bag right now.
I like how you redeemed Hydrate Frozen as I was downing the rest of my bottle of water.
Good.
Down it again.
No. I can't just put it like back into the bottle from my mouth. Come on, Gabby. SMH. You timed it well then? Yeah, you just knew. I'm in class right now, but also not in class. Hello, Sanatorium.
Hi, Sagittarius.
I like how Eric started a texture debate about Minecraft. Why did you become British or Aussie? God, I don't know, you know what, I'd rather be Aussie than British. They're cooler, at least.
Ah, Seniorium.
Ah, Seniorium. Is that like Spanish sanitarium?
I think what's better, Deep Slate or Grimstone?
As a name?
Yeah.
I like Grimstone more.
I liked it when they had Grimstone as a name.
But Deep Slate does allow us to make Deep Slate jokes.
I've never heard a Deep Slate joke.
Yeah, Deep Slate conspiracy.
That's awful.
Is that Jabby?
What about Jabby?
She leave.
Thank God.
I think that's what I heard.
Oh boy, it's almost time to eat again.
So, Zin, what do you think of Valheim?
I don't really know much about it yet.
But I linked it to you.
I was gonna tell you, Mystic.
I'm looking at some of the screenshots.
I've been using Minecraft as my entry point into learning how to do code.
When I was doing the Minecraft code, and we were doing like, you know how you have to import stuff? And,
Oh yeah,
you had to, like,
Mystic.
import-
Yeah, tell about what the AI was doing.
Oh, not even that, but yeah, the AI was like
It-
importing
it
like,
was just-
classes that just don't
It was
exist.
just straight up making up import statements for things that don't exist. It was
But
funny
in
as
a
hell.
in Fortnite's programming language, they when you import things,
Second.
you have to type
Fuck you, Sanitarium.
import.
Say again?
So, are you gonna play a soundbite?
No, I deafened so I could tell Sanitarium to go fuck
Ah.
himself.
In Fortnite's coding language, it's they use when you import stuff, it's like instead of you saying import, that language uses the term using, or uses or using.
Sorry, I lost connection.
Damn, must be that Pittsburgh weather.
Nothing to do with Pittsburgh.
Yeah, but you said it sucks.
I mean, facts.
People
but
always hate their own cities.
What'd you say, Gabby?
I said facts.
I thought you said pass, and I was confused.
Yeah, pass.
I did that before class. I don't need to know that, Sanitarium. That's not my business.
Pass facts class. They all rhyme. Kind of.
Mm-hmm. So like like the Father, Son, Holy Spirit, like the three people.
What do you not need to know?
Gas, grass, or ass?
All three.
Oh, hang on a second. You mean balls.zip?
More like Zols.bip. What do you say, Zin? Let's play Valheim.
For some reason, I think Premiere Pro is defaulting to using my fucking integrated graphics by having a graphics card installed. Blah, 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 blah.
How long has this game been in early access? I feel like I've heard this game for a while. It's been over
What
2
was that?
years now. So how long has this game been in early access?
For a while. Apparently since February of 2021.
No, it's by Coffee Stain.
As long as they don't spill it on the game.
I like Coffee Stain. They made Satisfactory, and then
Really?
their other studio, Coffee Stain North, which is separate kinda. They made Goat Simulator and Goat Simulator 3.
If I recall correctly, Valheim, it was a game that Iron Gate was originally working on, and then after it went into early access, then Coffee Stain was like, hey, we'd like to acquire you.
Do y'all ever get your balls caught in a zipper? I haven't had that happen for a while, but fucking hell, I hate that. I'm sure you both have at least done it once in your lives.
Nope.
No.
You've never gotten your balls stuck in a zipper on accident?
Never. And frankly, it's because that
I'm not okay, not talking about like the entire ball. I'm talking like getting like the scrotum caught. right?
I'm not much of a zipper
understand,
guy in general.
but
You
like,
mean in general?
when you're doing that variety of your business in the restroom, that's not the part that goes through there,
Yeah. Heck, how does the wrong part get stuck?
I don't know.
Especially when you have 2 holes to put it through. When you somehow let it get through the second hole.
This is getting sexual.
No, I'm saying like no, you have to get it through 2
I
holes to get it out
understand
the
fully.
zipper.
Ruh-roh. So you have to go commando. I've never had to do that.
I like how the gaming planning channel just turned into a second French chat.
I'm not going to contribute to it.
I just saw you typing.
That's why I stopped typing. Alright, hey, help me gaslight Flamey. Flamey gets a pass from me unless she completely butchers the spelling for other words. Don't let her off the hook. Yeah, that gets a skull emoji from me. Just get blackout drunk? Oh god. Nah, that's not fun. I like to know what's going on.
I gotta say, Sagittarius, that thing you wrote is pretty gross.
You know what's going on, you just don't remember it. Man, I don't ever know what's going on.
Okay, I need to. What was I doing with this code? I don't remember what I was trying to do.
Fig, what is the worst advice you could possibly give to your audience?
Always blame your problems on others. Never take accountability.
Me when homework. When I was in school.
Fig, I know you love getting blackout drunk. I really don't. I like getting fucked up as a football bat, but I like to remember what happened.
I've never been drunk. I want to get drunk soon.
It's fun.
I've been drunk.
Well,
I've never.
do it. We'll do it in Vegas.
I can't remember ever having been blackout drunk.
I've done it a couple of times. Not fun.
Get it?
Oh, fuck you. Well, the only reason I'm able to figure out that I was blackout drunk was A, other people told me, and B, I'm like, I don't recall this happening.
Well, nobody would ever tell me because I had to walk home alone.
Remember, my friends tried to get me drunk a few weeks ago, and then I didn't get drunk. But like, they were so
Fig,
insistent
you're in the
on
military.
saying that I was
You are
when I
either
know
an
I wasn't.
alcoholic or you smoke / vape all the fucking time. No, actually, my vice was energy drinks, especially on sea duty.
Wait, I need to do this. I need to do this. I need.